Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to forward a voice message from Telegram to WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to share an important clip or a funny moment from a Telegram group with your friends on WhatsApp but weren't sure how to do it, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transfer voice messages between these two apps with confidence and ease. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Telegram app. You can do this either on your computer or your phone, whichever you're more comfortable using. Make sure you're logged in and just give it a moment if Telegram takes a little time to load. Sometimes it needs a second, especially if you haven't opened the app in a while. Now, the reason we start here is because Telegram is where your voice message lives. Next, you want to go to the group or channel where the voice message is posted. If you're in a large number of groups and channels, use the search feature to make this quicker. Just type in the group's name at the top, and that will help you locate it faster. Once you're inside the correct group or channel, scroll through the chat until you spot the voice message you want to share. If there are a lot of messages, don't worry, take your time here. Sometimes voice messages stand out because they have that little microphone icon next to them. Now here, where things get a bit interesting, you need to right-click on the voice message itself. If you're on mobile, tap and hold the voice message. It works the same way. Why do we right-click or tap and hold? Because it brings up the menu of options, and one of those options is what we need. For desktop users, a menu will pop up right away. For mobile users, you might see a row of icons at the top or bottom. Just keep an eye out for that because every version looks a little different. From that menu, select Copy Message Link. This is super important because you're basically grabbing a direct link to that specific voice message. Think of it like copy-pasting the address of a house so you can send someone right to the front door. If you don't see the Copy Message Link option, it might be because the group or channel restricts forwarding. Sometimes admins limit what you can share. In most public channels, though, this should be available. Once you have the link copied, it's time to hop over to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the group or chat where you want to share the voice message. You can use your phone or WhatsApp web, whatever works best for you. In that group chat, simply click the message field as if you're typing a message and paste the link you just copied from Telegram. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste on a computer or by holding your finger down until the paste option appears on your phone. When you send it, your friends or recipients will see a clickable link that will take them directly to the voice message in Telegram. It's a fast and handy way to share audio without downloading files or risking quality loss. Just keep in mind that the people you're sending it to will need to have Telegram installed to listen to the voice message. It's kind of like sharing a Spotify link. To actually play the song, you need the app. And that's it, you've successfully sent a Telegram voice message to WhatsApp. Pretty simple once you know the process, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.